Today I had a rain day, and I'm gonna make this, I guess you would call it pre-stain. It's acorns. They're from a sawtooth oak, and what I'm doing is I boiled 2 gallons, or I boiled 2 of these, and then I poured the water into this smaller pot and let the water boil down to try to thicken it. And then I added some charcoal from the fire to try to get a darker color. It was a dark brown, but now it's looking even black, as you can see. And I'm going to let that boil down and see what happens. So hopefully I get a nice dark color on my table that I'm making. And let me show you the table that I'm making that I'm going to be staining. And I'm going to use this for my joints so they don't rot as quickly. They still will rot probably over time, but so I'm going to be putting this on all my joints here. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the mortises. I guess I'll just pour a little bit in there, I guess, and I'll try to paint it. But yeah, this wood right here on the table is going to be all what I'm staining. And I got the acorns boiling right now for the pre-stain. And this is the stain. It is dark walnut. Well, here's the finished product. It's about 4 by 4 foot. Really a little longer on one side. As you can see, I've been already putting it to use. Here I got an oak log that I'm turning into a square beam. And I got my bench dogs set up to hold it in place. The stain looks pretty good. It's called dark walnut. There it is. I plan on putting a thicker top on it. This is just 1.5 inches, a regular 2 by 12. And also, I plan on making some holdfasts out of wood. These are made out of hickory. I don't have any more hickory that's the right shape. But what I do have is pine and oak. So here's the pine. As you can see, it's got a nice angle on it to hold it to the table whenever I hammer it down. It looks like a 7. And I'm going to cut maybe 1 or 2 out of that twisty one.